Previously on Dragon Ball Z clips. Dragon Ball Z clips. Gohan has died. Gohan from the past. And Team Gohan. Now, it is up for the weakless Vegeta to stop him.
Hey, ready!
Okay, Boo. You know you cannot win. Ha! That's what you think. But you know what? You know you're weakened from when I fought your fusion. Your health and your defense might be greater than mine. But I have Super Saiyan! Not anymore! You don't have it because you're too weak and you know that in your head! Ugh!
I found you!
Ha! Gohan! Ha! Sorry to keep you waiting. We haven't fought in a little while, huh? One-eyed monster! How about this? How about this? What's the matter, Vegeta? I thought you could kill me! Ah! Stupid pest! Ah! What's the matter now? I want to put up a great fight, but I guess it's just not worth it with you, huh? I'm angry now! Super Saiyan, so you did manage to pull it off. There's no talk now, it's only fight. And with my Big Bang attack, it'll only be death for you, Boo. Kick! Welcome. Good night! Ah! You really amaze me. Oh, such great power. Shut up! You know I'm more powerful than you! Great then, Vegeta. Show me. Come on, where's your sense of humor? That's it. Babidi! Babidi, what was he doing here? Don't ever talk to me again! Good night! It's the final explosion. How about we like it? We'll light the candle with you! Ha! Super Boo! Ah! 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 Stay down! Ha! Yeah! Vegeta, I don't have to force your death now, do I? Looks like my energy glass is stronger than yours. Ah! What's the matter? Pretty speechless, huh, Vegeta? Atomic blast! Ah! 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 Let's end this! Ah. Good! Bye! Boo! What are you doing? What? No! 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 Ah! I did it. Ow. Yes, victory.